Dear students, welcome back our today's class. The last class was about prefix. We have already made a clear conception about prefix. Before that, we had some new topics like morphemes. I like to review that. That will be very helpful for you, I think. Morphemes is the small unit of words. We have also get two categories of morphemes. That means bound morphemes and free morphemes. And bound morphemes that has no itself meaning, but free morpheme has itself meaning. On the other hand, we have also divided the free morphemes, namely affix and bound morphemes, namely affixes, and free morphemes like base. Okay. So today's class is about suffix. You know, the Bengali meaning of suffix is prototype. It take its place ending of a words. Today I will try to show you some information or example on suffixes that will be helpful for your exam. You have already known that in our exam we will get on these topics, like in the exam hall we will be given some prefixes or suffixes and you have to make words. You are also told to make a sentence with is suffix or prefix. Okay, so let's start today's class about suffix. What will we learn by today's class? Suffixes that form nouns. Number 2, suffixes that form adjectives. Suffixes that form verbs. We have already learned the categories of words, namely parts of speech. Okay. Here is given the definition of suffix. A suffix is a word that is attached to the end of a word or another word part. It has a grammatical function as well as specific meaning. That means it has definite grammatical use and special meaning itself. Study the following chart of common suffixes. That chart has been divided into sections that show the grammatical function of each suffix. Suffixes that form nouns. Here is several columns, 4 columns. First one suffixes and every suffix's meaning, and it has given a example of the word, base word, and from this word how it becomes noun. First one SCY or CY is a suffixes. Its meaning is state or condition. That means situation, abostha. Trend, the general word is trend. If I add SC or CY at the end of trend, then it will be trancy. Trancy, trend means lazy. Lazy to laziness. You know, lazy is adjective, it has become noun, trancy. AGE, its meaning is results, process, falafel, ending. Break, pegefala, breakage, the result of break. AL, it means action. Survive, survive means টিকে থাকা. Survival, the name of surviving, name of survive is survival. ANCE, its meaning is state or quality. Like the example, attend. From attend, if we add ANCE after attend, then it will be attendance. Attendance means উপস্থিত হওয়া. It's a verb. Verb becomes noun. Adding what? ANCE suffixes after attend. ANT, ENT. The meaning of that, agent or doer, who does something or who does anything in a sentence. Example is like that, contest. You know, contest is the verb, it has and become noun adding ANT. Contest, tempt. Reside, to resident. Resident, অধিবাসী. ATION, it's ITION. Such type of suffixes means state, action, result. অবস্থা, ফলাফল. Like that, colonize, colonization. Colonize just means empowering, controlling. Colonization, সাম্রাজ্যবাদ. Impose, that means আরোপ করা. Imposition, আরোপ. Elect, to election. Elect, that means electing. Selecting, to election, নির্বাচন করা থেকে নির্বাচিত বা নির্বাচন নাম, noun form. DOM, dome, that means state, condition, domain. Domain, that means রাজত্ব. State, condition, exam. Free to freedom. Here, free was the base word. If I add dome after free, that will be freedom. Freedom means স্বাধীনতা. King to kingdom. King, that means রাজা. But adding DOM, it has been kingdom, রাজত্ব. The area or ruling area of a king. EE, one receiving action. One receiving action. Employee, double E adding up. Employee, নিয়োগ করা. আর employee, that means কর্মচারী, যার মাধ্যমে অ্যাকশন পাওয়া যায়, কাজ আমরা নিয়ে থাকি. EER, its meaning is agent, worker, doer. That means someone or somewhat does anything in a sentence. Like that, puppet means dog. Puppeter, who makes dance or any games by puppeter. ER, it also means doer or maker. Resident. Collector. Collect the verb. Collect is a verb. I have added what? OR. It has been collector. Collector মানে যে সংগ্রহ করে. আইল্যান্ডের অধিবাসী. Full, amount. The meaning of suffix full is amount, পরিমাণ. Cup full, house full, spoon full. Okay. Hood, state or condition, অবস্থা, সম্পর্ক. Mother to motherhood, the relation between mother and child. অনুশীলন একটা ধারা ক্যাপিটাল দ্যাট মিন রাজধানী আবার ক্যাপিটাল মূলধন capitalism it has been makes another meaning capitalism পুঁজিবাদ ity it also means state and quality maturity is an adjective পরিপক্ক আর maturity that means পরিপক্কতা merit means its meaning is action or result astonish is a verb astonish is a আশ্চর্য হওয়া surprising something surprise হওয়া astonishment আশ্চর্য next state quality it also shows the quality of something bright is the adjective উজ্জ্বল brightness উজ্জ্বলতার নাম হচ্ছে brightness ERY people or thing as a whole that means the people of an arena like that artist what artist to artistry that means those people who are attached to artist now artistry pottery ship state condition friendship the relationship TUDE Q state quality soul to solicit Q soul that means eka solicit ekakitto URE that means act result means result acting results means pleasure that means শান্ত হওয়া please or to pleasure আনন্দ Y action or result photograph to photography আলোকচিত্র now we'll see suffix that forms adjective we have already seen how words become nouns adding suffixes now we'll see the suffixes that form adjectives okay able means able or capable অর্থাৎ power of doing something believe believable collect to collectible that means believe বিশ্বাস করা ভার্ব believable is the adjective believable means the quality of believing something believable matter believable story that can be what can be believed okay collect to collectible that means those information those can be collect that's the condition of collect the verb its adjective is collective ALANTENT characteristics of doing or saying occupation that means pesha occupation to occupational comply স্বীকার করা compliant স্বীকার pertinent these are all show the pertinent means জিত করা belongs something pertinent means who has the belonging next ARY that means tending to that means the trend or interest of doing something second to secondary ATE full of having made of like affectionate how affectionate, sneho. Affection means sneho, noun. Noun has become adjective, affectionate. En that means full of, having, related to. Full. Wooden, to wooden. That means wood is a what? Noun. Wooden, that means make it wood. The processing, it has become adjective. Full, I see characteristics of sorrowful. Islamic, the character of sorrow. ICE, given to, protect, protective. Protect to, protective. Protect verb, protective adjective. Less, that means the lacking of something. Sense to less, senseless. Sense to senseless. Sense is noun and senseless adjective. Like or similar. Same. Bull-like. Human-like. Similar of bull. Ly, like characteristic of cowardly. Cowardly. Ous, full of, marked by, murderers. Some, apt to or tending to, loathsome. That means hate. Loathsome, hateful. East to eastward. That means purbo. Eastward, purbabi, mukh.